Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 largest cities in the world. These cities are some of the most vibrant and exciting places on the planet. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these magnificent cities. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply curious about the world's most populous cities, sit back and join us as we explore the top 10 largest cities in the world.
Cities are classified in many different criteria as all the cities are not the same. The largest city in the world can be defined as a geographical area, urban area, or metropolitan area.
Osaka is the 10th largest city in the world, with an area of 2,214 square kilometers. It is the third largest metropolitan area in Japan and is home to over 15 million people. The municipality is renowned for its modern infrastructure, vibrant nightlife, and mouth-watering cuisine.
Dhaka is the 9th largest city in the world, with an area of 360 square kilometers. It is the capital of Bangladesh and home to over 18 million people. The city is known for its vibrant markets, vibrant culture, and diverse cuisine.
Beijing is the 8th largest city in the world, with an area of 16,807 square kilometers. It is the capital of China and the residence of around 21 million individuals. The city is famous for its old monuments, energetic culture, and bustling nightlife.
Mumbai is the 7th largest city in the world, with an area of 603 square kilometers. It is the financial and recreation capital of India and home to over 22 million people. The city is known for its iconic skyline, energetic nightlife, and multifarious culture.
Cairo is the 6th largest city on the earth, with a size of 453 square kilometers. It is the capital of Egypt and home to over 22 million people. The city is renowned for its ancient monuments, vibrant markets, and rich culture.
Mexico City is the 5th largest city in the world, with an area of 1,485 square kilometers. It is the capital of Mexico and is residence to around 21 million people. The city is known for its dynamic culture, colonial architecture, and bustling nightlife.
São Paulo is the 4th largest city in the world, with an area of 1,520 square kilometers. It is the largest city in South America and home to over 23 million people. The city is renowned for its modern infrastructure, rich culture, and vibrant nightlife.
Shanghai is the 3rd largest city in the world, with an area of 6,340 square kilometers. It is the largest economic, financial, and business center in China and is home to over 26 million people. The city is renowned for its modern architecture and vibrant nightlife.
Delhi is the 2nd largest city in the world, with an area of 1,484 square kilometers. The city is the capital of India and the political, cultural, and financial hub of the nation. It is home to over 28 million people and is known for its diverse culture and cuisine.
With an area of 2,188 square kilometers, Tokyo is the largest city in the world. It is the capital of Japan and home to over 39 million people and a thriving economy. The city is renowned for its modern infrastructure, high-tech transportation, and advanced technology.
And that's the end of our video on the top 10 largest cities in the world. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour from the towering skylines of Shanghai and Tokyo to the historic landmarks of Delhi. Each of these cities has its own unique charm and character. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.